Subscribe now, the button's in the bottom right hand corner. I've been living the off-grid tiny house lifestyle for just over 20 years now, and I've been involved in a lot of things. I've worked for the circus, I've travelled with the gypsy fairs, I've built house trucks and modified buses, built my little fireplaces to help people out. Now that the YouTube channel's going, I can take that tiny house off-grid message to the world. It's nearly midwinter here in New Zealand and it's getting cold at night. Where I live, not quite so cold. It gets down to about freezing Celsius, but it's chilly, worth having a fire. So I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to light a small wood stove. There are people who get into the tiny house scene. They've never owned a wood stove before and they've never had to light a fire. So I'm going to show you 3 sheets of paper, lightly scrunched. Just lightly scrunched. 3 balls of paper in this particular fire. In a bigger fire you might go up to 5 sheets of newspaper, but they just sit there lightly scrunched. 3 or 4 pieces of kindling on top. Using a solid branch is not a good idea. Something that is like this, that hasn't been split open, is not good kindling, no matter how dry it is. The flames love to have an edge to catch on. So if you want to keep your fire going pretty smartish, 6 or 7 of these crisscrossed over so that the flames will travel up through them. Form a little tower like that. And then light the paper. Light it in 2 or 3 spots if you can so that it gets going all the way across. Open up all the vents. On this, I've got 2 vents, this one here, and by pulling the ash pan out, that gets the air going up from underneath. So open the vents and then just leave it. Walk away. Let it burn. And when the paper's gone and the kindling has got embers, then you can start putting more dry wood on top of it and you'll have a lovely fire for the evening. And that has taken less than 2 minutes. Right, so it's now minute 4, 2 minutes later. I've had all the vents open, the fire's been roaring. You can probably hear my kettle is almost starting to boil. And we've now got some embers. Come here and have a look. Right, so we've got the paper's gone, pile of embers. You can now put on pretty much whatever you choose to. So I'm going to load this up with 3 nice chunks. And then we'll close the door, close the vents, and it will now settle down to a much more gentle flame, and I can carry on for the evening. 4 minutes to get a nice wood fire going, get the place warmed up, and the job's done. While you're here, why not take the time to have a look at some of the other videos that I've got on the channel. There's videos about restoring classic vehicles such as Landrovers. There's videos of harvesting rainwater from the roof, dealing with your own bodily wastes with composting toilets, growing things in the garden, what not to eat if you're food foraging, and lots of general fix it, modify it, repair it, and upcycle it videos. Thanks for watching.